Hello, good evening. Welcome to my class.
Hello, teacher.
All right, before we start, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you see teacher clearly?
Yes, teacher.
All right, that's very nice. My name is Teacher Kat. What is your name?
Dora.
Dora. Okay, is this correct, Dora?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, so Dora, instead of saying that, let's say, my name is Dora.
My name is Dora.
Good. How old are you, Dora?
7, teacher.
Okay. Instead of saying 7, you may say, I am 7 years old.
I am 7 years old.
Very good, my dear. Thank you. How are you feeling today, Dora? Are you happy, sad like this, or are you excited?
I am excited, teacher.
All right. That's so nice to hear. I'm so happy, Dora. Are you ready to learn today, Dora?
Yes, teacher. I am ready.
Okay, come on and let's go. For today, Dora, we're going to learn about family fun. Let's say it. Family fun.
Family fun.
Very good. Okay, in this picture, Dora, what things, animals, or people can you see?
I can see a giraffe, a squirrel, and an owl.
Wow, my dear, very good. Okay. And an owl. Okay. So let me just circle the animals here. Okay, thank you so much, my dear. And here, Dora, how many people can you see?
I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good, my dear. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. Now, here, Dora, we're going to have a warm up. So, how many people can you see here?
I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good, my dear. And tell me, what's their relationship? Are they friends?
No, teacher, they are not friends.
Okay. Are they classmates?
Um, no, teacher, they are not classmates.
Okay. Are they family?
Yes, teacher, they are family.
Perfect. All right, Dora, why can you say, or why do you say that they are a family?
Because there is grandpa, grandma, mom, dad, and children.
Okay, wonderful, my dear. All right, thank you so much, Dora. All right, so here we have a family chart. Okay, so in the first picture, I will circle it. If this is Grandpa Dora, who is this?
And that is grandma.
Grandma. Very good, my dear. Okay. And let's go below here. If this is mom, who is this?
That is dad, teacher.
Dad. All right. Good. How about this one, Dora, below here? If this is me, brother, who is this?
Sister?
Sister. Wonderful. Okay. Good. All right. Let's go to the next one. If this is uncle, who is this?
I forgot, teacher.
All right, my dear, it's okay. Let's say this is aunt.
Aunt.
Very good. One more time.
Aunt.
Perfect. All right. How about this one, Dora? Can you say it for teacher, this word?
Aunt.
Okay. How about this one, my dear? Let's say uncle.
Uncle.
One more time.
Uncle.
Perfect. All right. All right, let's go here in the last part. My dear, look at the picture below. If this is cousin, who is this?
And that is cousin as well, teacher.
Yes, my dear, you are so good. Okay, good job, Dora. Okay, my dear, so I think in this one you did a very good job. You identified who is grandma, dad, aunt, cousin, and sister. All right, my dear. So, do you have any more questions about the family chart?
No question, teacher.
All right, my dear. Thank you so much. And unfortunately, Dora, it's already time. Okay, I'm so happy to be your teacher today. And please do not forget to give teacher 5 stars. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
All right, my dear, thank you so much. Teaching you was fun and book more classes with teacher Kat, okay?
Okay, teacher. Goodbye.
Bye bye, my dear. See you again tomorrow.
See you.